Good morning, student. How are you? I'm your English teacher, and today I'm going to start your first poem, The Squirrel. This poem is composed by Mildred Bowers Armstrong, and as the name is saying you, the poem is about a squirrel. In this poem, you will come to know about the specific feature of a squirrel and also about the habits of squirrel. बच्चों, जैसा कि आप जानते हो कि आज हम अपनी सबसे पहली पोएम शुरू करने जा रहे हैं। पोएम का नाम है द स्क्वेरल। स्क्वेरल मीन्स गिलहरी, और इस कविता में हम गिलहरी की कुछ विशेषताओं और आदतों के बारे में जानेंगे। नाउ लेट्स बिगिन द पोएम। He wore a question mark for tail. The poet is saying he. He means the squirrel. Wore means wear, means when you wear some clothes. The second form, the past form of wear is wore. A question mark for tail. The poet is saying that always the squirrel tail is just like a question mark. कवि कहना चाहते हैं कि गिलहरी की पूंछ हमेशा एक क्वेश्चन मार्क की तरह दिखाई देती है। An overcoat of grey, and always squirrel wore a overcoat. Overcoat means a coat that is loose and that is grey in color. Everyone, you always notice that the back of the squirrel is grey in the color. Just like in this picture, you can notice that the back of the squirrel is grey in color and it having many strips. So the poet is saying that the back of the squirrel is grey overcoat. जैसा कि आप पिक्चर में देख सकते हैं, जो कि छोटी सी गिलहरी है, उसकी जो बैक है, जो पीठ है, उस पर कुछ स्ट्रिप्स होती है, धारियाँ होती है। तो कवि को ऐसा लगता है जैसे कि छोटी सी स्क्वेरल ने एक ग्रे कलर का कोट पहन रखा हो। He sat up straight to eat a nut. Oh, the squirrel looks very pretty when it sits straight and eat a nut. Means squirrel loves eating nut. Nut means different type, ground nut and different types of you can say different types of dry fruits. Squirrel loves to eat. So the poet is saying that the squirrel looks very beautiful when it sits straight and eating nuts, and nut is the favorite food for squirrel. He liked to tease and play, and squirrel is very naughty, but squirrel is also very innocent. In squirrel love to play with us and also sometimes tease us. Tease means annoy. Annoy means परेशान करना. And if we ran around his tree, he went the other way. When the poet used to play with the squirrel, what the squirrel did, it start taking the round on the tree. If I will go on one place, then it go on another place, and it is very difficult to catch a squirrel. स्क्वायरल बहुत नोटी होती है, और जब हम उसके साथ खेलते हैं तो स्क्वायरल क्या करती है, पेड़ का राउंड लेने लगती है, घूमने लगती है, और हम उसे पकड़ने की कोशिश करते हैं तो हम एक तरफ से पकड़ने की कोशिश करते हैं तो वो दूसरी तरफ चली जाती है. दैट इज़ द नेचर ऑफ स्क्वायरल. Now we will discuss about the summary of the poem. The poet saw a squirrel sitting on a tree and eating nuts. Once the poet was going from a garden and there on a tree he noticed a squirrel. एक बार जो कवि हैं वो एक छोटी सी गिलहरी को एक पेड़ के ऊपर देखते हैं और उस वक्त वो गिलहरी नट्स को खा रही थी. Its tail was raised upwards with the tip pointing downwards. मीन्स उसकी जो पूँछ थी वो raised upwards. It was high and straight in the air and tip pointed to downwards, and the tip of the tail was pointed to the downwards. जो उसकी पूँछ थी वो बिल्कुल ऊपर की तरफ थी, लेकिन जो पूँछ का किनारा था वो नीचे की तरफ झुका हुआ था. Thus the tail seemed to be making a question mark. So the picture of the tail that it was creating, that was just like a question mark. तो जो पूँछ जो एक पिक्चर बना रही थी वो बिल्कुल एक क्वेश्चन मार्क की तरह बना रही थी. It had a grey coat and the back of the squirrel is looking just like a grey coat. और जो स्क्वायरल की पीठ है वो बिल्कुल एक ग्रे कोट की तरह दिखती है. It was so loose that the poet calls it an overcoat, and the back There are many strips on the back of the squirrel, and इट वॉज़ वेरी लूज, सो इट इज़ लुकिंग जस्ट लाइक ओवरकोट. जो उसकी बैक पे बहुत सारी स्ट्रिप है और ये बहुत ज़्यादा ढीले हैं, इसीलिए वो ओवरकोट की तरह लग रही हैं. इन ऑर्डर टू ईट अ नट इट वॉज सिटिंग स्ट्रेट. और नट को खाने के लिए, ग्राउंड नट, वॉलनट, कोई भी ड्राई फ्रूट्स जो भी गिलहरी खा रही है उसको खाने के लिए वो सीधा बैठती है. स्क्वायरल इज़ फनी लिटिल एनिमल. स्क्वायरल जो है बहुत फ़नी है, बहुत छोटी सी एनिमल है that likes to play with us, and squirrel loves to play with us. If we run round his tree, if we start running round the tree of the squirrel would not fear. Squirrel is very brave. Squirrel never fear from us. It would like to tease, and instead of that the squirrel always like to tease us. Squirrel हमसे डरती नहीं है अगर हम उसके पेड़ के चारों तरफ राउंड लेते हैं, और बजाय उसके वो क्या करती है, हमें टीज करती है, परेशान करती है, एंड प्ले, और हमारे साथ खेलती है. एंड टू डू सो इट वुड ऑल्सो रन अराउंड द ट्री, एंड टू प्ले विद अस व्हाट स्क्वायरल डिड, इट ऑल्सो प्ले विद us, but from the opposite side. But he always come from the opposite side, because squirrel always remain attentive about its safety, that we will not catch him, so he always come from another side. Now students, we will discuss some question answer. What is compared with grey overcoat? The squirrel's body is compared with grey overcoat, and especially the back of the squirrel. Who is sitting on the ground? The squirrel is sitting on the ground, and what is it doing? And it was eating a nut. What does it do when we go round? It disappears behind the tree when we go around, because squirrel is very cautious about its safety. How does the poet describe the squirrel? The poet described the squirrel as a naughty and intelligent animal whose tail is like a question mark and who wears a coat. कि जिसकी पूंछ एक क्वेश्चन मार्क की तरह होती है, जो एक कोट पहनती है, बहुत शैतान होती है, लेकिन साथ ही साथ बहुत इंटेलिजेंट भी होती है. So now thank you students. I hope that you understand this poem. So complete the question answer of this poem, and also draw a sketch of a beautiful squirrel. Thank you and have a nice day.